Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. I'm going to give you an update on my peas. Stay tuned for this episode. I'm out in the garden today and I'm picking peas. That's what my peas look like. Growing like crazy. They got peas all over them. And I'm out here picking a mess of peas. And peppers and onions. Oh yeah. Looking good. Just taking care of some peas here. This is my haul from the garden. And yeah, my little pea plants are doing really good. They're just growing like crazy. Here's what we got. Got a nice big bowl here and a little bowl here. And got all these holes. Got all these holes here. Okay, all these pods here. I've been instructed, or I've been informed they're called pods. Like peas in a pod, I guess. And all these pea pods I'm going to give to my worms. The worms just love them. And so I'm going to go ahead and give them to the worms. So there you go. It was a nice little haul. Next year, I think I'll plant snow peas because you can eat the whole thing, and then I won't have to take the peas out of the pods. And but yeah, we're enjoying our peas this year. This is like the third or fourth harvest we had on them. They are starting to turn brown. I should get more peas this year yet, even though they're turning brown, but because there are some that are not as far along as them, and they are growing up and getting ready to give me some more peas. If you remember, planted the first row, and then about a week later we planted the other row because the first row was ate up by something or they didn't grow very well. But anyways, that's my peas. That's my update on my peas. Everything's going really good and we're eating peas today. Alrighty, Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching.